Yes. So what are the types of crops are grown in this Rinja's place, this slash and burn or this primitive subsistence farming or the subsistence farming? Basically, it's like coarse varieties of rice, maize, cash crops like cotton, ginger, linseed, rapeseeds, sesamum, pineapple, and jute. Vegetables like potato, soybean, pumpkins, cucumbers, yams, tapioca, chilies, beans, onions. Okay, so these are the part of the slash and burn farming. Okay. Now we come to intensive subsistence farming. Okay. Now, intensive subsistence agriculture or farming, the farmer actually cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Now, farmers use their small land holdings to produce enough for their local consumption, while remaining produce is used for exchange and other goods. Okay. And it helps in excess farming, intensive. Where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Intensive farming. Though the right inheritance of leading to the division of land among successive generations has rendered landholding size uneconomical, the farmers continue to take maximum output from the limited land in the absence of alternative source of livelihood. Thus, there is enormous pressure on the agricultural land. Okay, so we are going to keep it till here today, till your intensive subsistence farming. I gave you the slash and burn products about intensive farming, and you have to find out what are the crops going on in the intensive subsistence farming. It happens in densely populated regions. Haryana, I am telling you, Haryana, Punjab, Western Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh. Highly intensively, more and more is grown. A crop which is grown is rice. Okay, so I'll keep it till there, and you read through again the chapter and see what you can do. I have done 5 videos for you today, so that we don't miss out on anything. What happens is, when I go to when I'm doing a class for you and I'm preparing a lecture for you with my notes, what happens is, when I break up that what do you say, that flow of the flow breaks off, and when I come back in the next time in the class, that flow is not there. So I made 5 videos for you. Go through this till part. 5 videos is around about 35 minutes, I guess, but I have explained only till your intensive subsistence farming. Okay, bananas, bamboo plantation, these are intensive, huge are made here for commercial, actually. Then we have the cropping pattern is there, so we'll come back to that. I'm going to take it slowly. So we are here till intensive farming, market till there, and we'll come back again. So till then, guys, you please do take care of yourself, don't stress, go through them. I'll post up the note. Just keep in mind that you make sure you check that download sites, the download note tab, which is there, and just keep on checking if there's anything in stock for you or not. Well, I'll be putting up quite a lot of things for you to just go through, keep on doing it. See, sometimes you must look at things from different angles in life. Like suppose the question answers in your book. Farming cannot change. Intensive primitive farming cannot change, or subsistence primitive farming cannot change, or agriculture cannot change. So if I just turn around the question and give it to you, you'll be able to answer it if you know your subject. Am I right? So every part in your whole life, in your whole this cycle of your life, you should see things from different views and try to calculate the same answer through different views. It will be much more easier to understand. Life will be also much more easier to go ahead with. And it's a trial error process. So if you don't make an error, you won't have that energy or josh, which I say josh, to check on that error and improvise on it. That doesn't mean we make 100 errors, but yes, errors if we make, we come to know what is the right thing. Simple thing. The law is meant to be broken, right? If some people don't break it, they don't know. So if we study law, if we know what is the law of our constitution, we will come to know. But again, law is the teacher of crime. I'll come to this later. Anyways, guys, you take care and be good and eat properly, sleep properly. Go into that cycle, motion, disciplined motion. So it will be the best way. Thank you so much. It was great. So take care. Bye bye. God bless, and do whatever you want after you do your studies. Bye bye.